Good morning, guys. Today we'll talk about the paint effects. It is in a generate. Go to the generate and click on the get brush. You'll get the brush over here. It is in the content browser. You already used it for one purpose. You remember that the butterfly and the path animation? Yes. So here you can just click the flower, not only the flower, also the grasses and other things are there. You need to test one by one. Something is more interesting. Underwater effects. And you can click this. Just click and drag. You'll get this one. Also, you can use a hold B plus middle mouse button to increase, or hold B plus left mouse button to increase your brush size and decrease your brush size. When you increase your brush size, you can see it's become bigger, and decrease your brush size, the brushes are very small. Sometimes you can see the objects are animating. Here, I cannot see, okay, I can see this because very smooth and slow. It's like underwater effects. Okay, we have plenty of options, plenty and more. You see, and render this, render it in a Maya software because Maya software does have a capability to render the paint effects without converting. Yes, I can see the sun over here. Same way, if you want to render in a Arnold, you can convert the paint effects into polygon. Modify, convert paint effects into polygon. Okay, I'm going to the flower mesh. Select any one of this flower. Anything. Just drag. Hold B plus left mouse button to increase the brush size. Okay, 2, 3, 4. You can see the curve and then the stroke. The stroke is the origin of the paint effect. The stroke is follow the curve. The way you rotate, the way you move, the curve will form. Now you can select the paint effects, modify, convert paint effects to polygon. Now you got the polygons. Now no need for this paint effects, you can delete it. Once you feel it is finalized, that's it. Now you render. We are going to render in a Arnold. Oh, lights. We need a light. Arnold Doom light. Simple light, isn't it? Make a simple plane. Okay, we got the render. But you can see the reflection on the flower. By default, this flower has a material of foam. You know that foam, plane, those are reflected things, isn't it? So just select the particular and go to the material editor, hold right click, material editor, and change the foam into a lambda. Now this is a previous one. I click hold and the render again. It's still rendering. Okay, now you can see this is reflected and this doesn't have a reflection. Press escape to stop. So this is they're not converted, only this is converted into a Lambert. Okay, we can increase the you can increase light and the diffuse. Okay, we can do a lot. to make it realistic. Then I'll go back to this one. First of all, you need to check what is this and what are all the other abilities. Example like this, uh, green grasses. Here, if you put more, this have definitely cause a problem of fatal error because of the heavy size. We need more RAM for this. The laptop is little stuck. That's why you can see this when I play. My laptop is stuck. You can see the animation like a grass. Okay, I'll put a very small grasses. So too many grasses will cause a problem, isn't it? For understanding, okay, only one. Now play. Now you can see the movement like a wind. Yeah. Now how to control this? Okay, suppose if you want some more else, what you want to do? Okay, now go to the same area generate. Instead of go to the get brush, you can go to the paint effects tool. Just click the tool and draw. So this is the origin of the paint effects. Only the line is the origin. Now we can go to the default brushes, go down. Can you see this one? Default brushes. You have a information over here about this particular. Now directly you can go to the tube because what you are having is a tube. You can see tubes are on. Once you click that, you can go to the creation. You can just increase and decrease the tubes. Okay. Now go down more. We have a information like this is the creation of the tube, isn't it? Now you can see the randomness, twist, segments, and minimum and maximum length. You can see the randomness over here. Suppose your minimum and maximum is same, you can see all of this one is the same. And then the twist. 0 steps, randomness 0. So it can work according to the needs. Cube width 1 is a bottom. You can see the bottom is higher. And cube width 2 is the top. Now you can see the spikes, but I don't want of spikes. Now you can adjust everything like width adjustment. Suppose if you need a broadness in middle, you can do something like this so that the shape will change accordingly. Okay, now it's the interesting part. Go to the growth and click the branches to get the branches. And if you need a leaves and if you need a flowers. Now you're creating your own particular paint effects. Suppose if you want to change the color of the color of the flower and shape of the flower, it is possible. Now I want to change the shape of this flower. Now next to the growth, go down a bit to see flower and go more down, 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 color. Change the color. Maybe a blue color flower, yes, and the blue with a pink. Suppose the shape of the flower, yes, we can change, go there to the top. We can see petal width. Okay, the edge should be a sharp and top should be a sharp and middle. We need a shape like this. Now we can see the shape is changing. Flower start, okay, flower ends, flower angle, close to open. We can animate this also. Flower angle 2, twist, not much. Curly, yeah, I think it is fine. Same way to the leaves also. Go to the leaf section and check the leaf width. That should be the corner. Okay. The length of the leaf can be decreased, width increase. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. How to save this? We have two methods to save this. I go to the new particular shelf. Okay, how to save this? You can go to the preset of this one and save the brush and save this brush as a new brush, or you can give a name, say attributes. But before you are doing it, you need to go to the generate and then get brush. Get setting from the selected stock. It's very important that you need to get the settings before you are saving this. Now you can go and then you can save brush preset. Brush preset to the shelf. So brush one, it is fine. Save the settings. Now you can click this one and draw. You can see our brushes become presets. So this is your first assignment. You need to create your own brush and you need to save this as a preset. Okay, guys? Any doubts, please let me know. It's very simple. Just check one by one. That's it to the section.